Hi, everybody. Well, this week we're going to learn lots more about numbers. We've been focusing on numbers being in 10 frames, and that teaches us that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a 10 frame looks like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And also, if you don't know like what the number 9 is for sure yet, you can use your chart to help you. A lot of you do know how to write from 1 to 10, but if you don't, this will help you, okay? So this week we're going to talk about numbers that come before and after, and then we're going to talk about +1. So we have a group of things +1. How many will that make? And that also is an after thing. And then we're going to talk about above and below. So you have worksheets that you're going to practice all of these things on. But before you do that, I'm going to have you do it with me in real life. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need your whiteboard, eraser, and a pen. So you can pause me and go get those. Okay? And then after that, you're back, you're going to need 10 things. I have bugs. You can get whatever you want. You can get your rocks, or you can get your Legos, or some of you have superheroes. I have 10 little things here. These I'm going to help. I'm going to use to help me do +1. Okay? So once you have those, don't pause me and go get those. Okay, and then when you come back, here's what you need at the end to practice all the things we're going to do on our whiteboard. This is week 1, and it's this worksheet. It says trace the numbers, write the numbers, count and circle how many above and below. So this is what you're going to need. And it's the first worksheet of your packet. It says week October 19 to 22. Okay. So pause me and get that. Okay, now you're back. We're going to make a number line, and that's going to help us with before and after. And the way I like to do this is start over here and just go little. Because number lines are hard, you don't know how to space them. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. We want 5 to land right about there. 4, 5. Now, if this is too hard for you, pause me and wait. Just start writing these, but pause me if I'm going too fast. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now I'm going to do a line above that, just like that. And I'm going to just do a little. And then you've drawn your first number line of the year. You're going to use number lines a lot. Okay, so mine's not perfect, neither is yours, and I'm 60. Do you see that? Okay, when you're done with that, you can come back. Okay, now what I'm going to have you do is I want you to find the number that's before 2 and after 2. So the first thing you need to do is point to the 2, right? Okay, before means this way. Before means in front of. So what's the number before 2? Say it out loud. It's 1. Yes, 1. So write a 1 down. Then put a dash there. And then what's the number after or behind or next to 2? That's not before, but after. What is it? 3. That's right. Okay. So now let's find the number 8. Who can find 8? 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. There's 8. Okay, so write 8 right here. Now, what's the number that's before 8 or in front of 8? What is that number? If you don't know it, you should count again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is before 8. Okay, and what's after 8? 9. Okay, now I want you just to pick one number on your own and pick the number out and point to it and decide what numbers before and after. So pause me and do that. Do that twice, 2 times, okay? Pause me and do that. Great, so now you know before and after. So now what I want you to do is erase that. And now we're gonna do +1. So I'm gonna lay down 7 objects. Count with me. 1, 2, and you do it too while I'm doing it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to write the equation. 7, and now I want to add 1 to it. 7 and 1 equals, you know you have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. All right. Now what I want you to do is I want you to build these 2 equations. 4 plus 1 equals, so you need to lay 4 out and then 1 more. And then I want you to do 8 plus 1 equals, okay? And I want you to notice something. When you do 4 plus 1, you would say, what comes next in the number line? 4 plus 1 equals, 8 plus 1 equals. Do you notice that there's a pattern here? That if you have 8 plus 1, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1 is 9. So that's next on the number line. What about 4? If you had 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, that's 5. So 4 and 5. Next on the number line. There's your clue. So I want you to build these with your bugs or your objects. Build 4 plus 1 and 8 plus 1 and build, let's do 6 plus 1. And I bet you, if you can get the pattern, you won't even have to count. You'll know, 6 plus 1, I already put the answer down. You'll know what the answer is before, if you can count. Okay, so do those. Pause me and do those. And then I want you to do, here's a line. Now, above means up, right? And below means down. So I want you to draw a spider above the line. Can you do that? Draw a spider above the line. Okay, and those are the 3 things you're going to do. Okay, and then after you get done doing that, I want you to go to your worksheet, and you see that it has little tiny numbers here. And I want you to fill those in so you can really see them. 1, 2, 3, count when you're doing it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it says write the numbers that are before and after. So you would find 6 and you would write the number before right here. And you would find 6 and you would write the number after right here. Then you would find 2 and you would write the number before right here. And you would find 2 again and you would write the number after right here. So keep that going, okay? Then this says count and circle the number that tells you how many. Okay, so let's count all the trees. You count them, and then you circle the number of how many trees you counted. That's all you have to do. This one says, how many objects are there? How many would there be if you added one more? So you would count these 1, 2, oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's the next number? Okay, then this one says, draw a spider above the door. So that's your job too for the day. So I hope you get it, and I hope it works for you, and I hope you have fun doing it. Sometimes it's kind of confusing because you have a bunch of different things to do on this page. You have the before and after, you have count all the trees, and then circle the number. And this one, it goes past 10, so you'd have to use the number line to help you. So if you count 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, right? You can look at the number line and help you, right? And then there's draw the spider above. Oh, good luck. That's a lot. Have fun.